Hi, I'm Maria Juliana. Thank you for having me here. I'm from Tamil Nadu, India. I'm doing my bachelor's in Christ University, Bangalore, and I got an opportunity to work here as an intern. During my internship, I had an incredible learning experience, and I had the opportunity to work with the expert team on ongoing oil and gas project. From designing, wiring to testing of the panels, it was hands-on, and I gained my practical knowledge in electrical engineering. Work culture here is very collaborative and everyone is approachable. As an intern, I was encouraged to share my ideas, an initiative that has really made me satisfied and also developed me to enhance my confidence in my field and motivated me to further learn more. I would say it's a fantastic place to kickstart a career. As a leading provider of LV and MV switchgear and automation in UAE, SAS Power Industries is a dream workplace for every aspiring electrical engineer. I have really enjoyed my time here and I'm grateful for the valuable experience I have gained.